In the heart of nature's embrace, where mountains kiss the sky and tranquility dances on the breeze, a serene ritual unfolds. With skilled hands and a sense of anticipation, they begin to unravel their hammock, revealing the promise of suspended bliss. Every knot and every adjustment is a step towards creating a floating sanctuary. The hammock stands as an invitation, a portal to tranquility, where one can sway with the rhythm of the universe. In this scared space, time slows down, worries fade away, and the soul finds respite from the chaos of the world. As they surrender to the gentle sway, the hammock becomes a vessel for dreams, carrying them to a realm of inner peace. Amidst this sublime setting, a hammock becomes a bridge connecting the human spirit to the profound beauty of the natural world. Discover the transformative power of the hammock setup, where nature's embrace, a simple ritual can transport you to a realm of serenity and wonder.